How to create a manual journal entry on Xero. Need to record a manual journal entry on your Xero account. Here's a simple step-by-step guide. So from the dashboard, go to accounting, and then under that, you should find advanced, and then select manual journals, and this is where you create adjustments outside invoices or bills. So click on new journal, enter the date, reference, and narration to describe the adjustment, and then add your debit and credit lines. Choose accounts from your chart of accounts, enter amounts, and ensure totals balance. If the entry involves tax, select the correct rate. For exempt adjustments, choose no VAT or 0%. Click on save or post. The journal entry is now recorded and reflected in your reports. Check the general ledger or profit or loss report to confirm your journal entry is included. Manual journals in Xero lets you adjust accounts directly, perfect for corrections, accruals, or year-end adjustments. And that is how to create a manual journal entry on Xero.